Okay, now we're going to do simultaneous equations graphically. So the first thing you do on these two equations, you express them as y mx equals mx plus c, both of them. So let's start with the second equation, which is y minus x equals 6. You go x equals, you take the x to the other side, then it will change the sign, it will be x plus 6, right? So this is 1x, so it's already in that format, right? Y equals mx plus c, right? So now let's do the same with the top one. 7x plus 3y equals minus 2, right? Now we solve for y, right? So 3y equals 7 to the other side, it will change the sign, minus 2. Then you get rid of 3, so that you're left with y. What you do on the left, you also do it on the right, and you're left with minus 7 3x minus 2 over 3. Okay, there you are. So now plotting this onto a graph, right? So let's start with the second one. No, sorry, it's the first one. Let's start with the first one, and that is the second one. Let's start with the second one. It's easier to explain. Okay, let's see. I just want to make sure that you can see there. Okay, everything is right in the screen. Okay, what does this tell you? 6 tell you that it's a positive intercept, right? It's a positive 6 intercept. It's right on top of the graph, right? It's right on top of the graph. So it's positive 6. What does this tell you? Any number divided by that number is, sorry, any number divided by 1 is that number, right? Divided by 1. So the top one tells you how many times do you move from the y-intercept. So you move once. So it says once here, right? And the second one, the bottom one, the numerator, the denominator tells you how many times do you move to the right or to the left. But because it's the positive sign, you will move to your right. Okay, you will move to the right, positive. So you move once to the right. Okay, sorry, once to the right, from here to there. Okay, once to the right. So you've got this intercept here, and you have that intercept there. All right, so now you can plot the graph. You can plot the graph by combining this graph here. Okay, right, combining these 2 points here, putting a straight line there. Okay, and the slope is positive. That's why it's taking that shape. This shape, it will be a negative slope. Let's deal with that. It's equation 1. So now with equation 1, with equation 1, it says 7. You start from negative number. This is 0. This is 0. So this is minus 0.67. You can check that with your calculator, because if it's a fraction, it doesn't give you a quantifiable number that you can plot here. So it's 0.67, which will be somewhere here. Okay, it will be somewhere here, right? And the second one, so you go 7 times up. Okay, 7 times up, it's 1, 2, you're moving 10 times 1 to 0.67, but positive this time from negative, which is 10 times, right? Same here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just underneath that. So it's negative 0.67, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So you went up 7 times, and then now you go 3 times to your left. So it's 1, 2, 3, right? And they will meet up here somewhere here. So there. So now this is your first point, and that's the other point. So you join the 2 points. I hope you can see that. And then you write down the equation, right? You write down the name of the equation, which is y equals 7 over 3 x minus 2 over 3. Okay, and you do the same with the other one, which is y. I think it's finished there. Just use a black. Y equals x plus 6. Okay, I hope that helps. Click the like button. Thank you very much.